Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode we got this cool mirror right here, and basically what these are some Airtag holder or Airtag keychains. So you see we actually have 3 different types on here from 3 different brands. So this one right here is like a leather version, this one right here is a silicone, and this one right here is probably one of the most popular ones from the Belkin brand right here. But basically right here we see probably guys 4 of them, and this one probably guys 4 of them, and this only probably guys 1 of them. And for all these actually come in many different colors, but these are the ones I got right here. So I'm actually open up each one to show you guys what actually looks like first. Alright, so here we have the first one, and we see right here is definitely like a leather material on here that looks pretty nice. And the one that we got right here is this color right here. They do have other colors available, so you definitely want to do your own research to see which one you prefer. Alright, so once we take all 4 of them out, this actually looks right here. So we got red, a blue, an orange, and also a black one as well. But basically for the keychain option right here, you guys will actually go like this to actually open it and close it. And then the way how you guys actually slide it in right here, you guys want to pull it open right here and just slip it inside right there. And once you guys put your AirTag inside, you just want to clip it back up just like that, and definitely can see the AirTags on here. But definitely having feel the material on here actually feels pretty nice. But this is basically what the box looks like for the first one that we got right here. Let me actually open up the next one. So here is the next one that we got right here, and these are the silicone version. You can see it's from this brand right here. Let me actually open it up. Alright, so when you guys open up this one right here, this actually looks right here. So we got like a black one, a green one, a purple one, and a pink one right here. But they do have different colors available like I mentioned. So you can see the way how to design this one right here is very similar in terms of keychain option. So you want to clip like this. So that way I can actually open it and close it. You can see it's definitely pretty strong. And then for this one here, I actually give you guys a little small keychain option as well, if you guys want to use that option, but you don't have to. And then right here is basically where you guys actually put on your AirTags inside. So the way how you guys put it in, you just want to slip it inside, since it is like a silicone material on here. Not like the leather material where you guys actually unclip it. This one just slip it inside. But definitely when you guys feel the silicone material on here, it actually feels pretty nice. And if you guys flip it the other side, this actually looks like on this side right here. So basically only one side is open. That way there's less of a chance for the actual product to fall out if you guys are worried. So here is basically what the second one looks like. Now let me show you guys the last and final one right here, which is from the Belkin brand. This one was probably like the most popular one that I saw online. So I'm actually open this up to show you guys what the product looks like first. Alright, so when you guys first open up this right here, definitely the packaging looks a lot better than the other 2. So you see in the back part right here, they show you guys how to actually install it and how to actually set it up. But let's take this one out first. Alright, so you guys take it out. This is basically what the product looks right here. So there's definitely 2 different parts on here, and they probably got the keychain option on here. So basically the way how you guys set it up, you guys actually put the AirTag inside here first. And once you guys do that, you guys want to put both of them together right here and just slide it to actually lock it in place. So it should look something like this once you guys fully set it up. And then basically the AirTag should be inside right here. But definitely when you guys see the material on here, it's not like a silicone material or anything. It definitely feels like a high quality material that will definitely hold the actual AirTag inside. So that way it won't come off as easy. And then once you guys set this up, you guys want to put the keychain on top. So once you guys put it in, you guys are basically all set. So definitely you can see right here when you guys compare all 3 of them right here, you guys can definitely see the difference on here. This one definitely feels like a high quality material in terms of the way how they design it. And these are definitely much bigger when you guys set it up as well. And obviously right now I don't have the AirTags yet. I'm still waiting for it to actually come in. But when it actually comes to the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or which one's more worth it, I think all 3 of these are actually pretty worth it. It just depends on what your preference is. If you guys want one that looks like this design, or if you guys want like a leather design on here, or if you guys want a silicone design on here, that is up to you guys. I think for me, honestly, I'll probably use each one of these and just change off here and there. But this one here from the Belkin brand is probably the more secure one because of the way how to design it. It would definitely keep the AirTag inside more secured. But like I mentioned, regardless of which one I get, they're all pretty worth it if you guys want one and need one of these. But then obviously if those guys who don't want or don't need one or having one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.